Everyone, welcome back to new video. My friend is there. We'll go and fetch water. This is going to be our daily vlog. This amazing out here. Water scarcity is happening. We are in need of water, so we'll have to go and fetch from afar. It'll be around 7 kilometers from the place where we're staying. So we'll go out and look for the water. Let's see. My friend is here, so I'll go with him. Hi. So we are going out now. We'll go and fetch water. So let's see. Let's check out the place from where we are going to take. So how many kilometers?
I think it's 9.
9. I thought it is 7.
No.
I told them 7. So I was
7
literally
is that
lying
village,
to
no?
them. Okay.
Hmm.
Oh yeah.
Eight,
Oh yeah.
That is 8. The
Yes,
village
yes.
is 8.
Yes. Okay. So 9. Let's say 9 to 10 kilometers. All right, let's go. Let's go. I just woke up. I just stood up from my bed. Let's go and fetch water. Here we are. I just want to show you the picture and the image of the hometown. So here it is. Check it out. This is going to be Maram Center, Senapati district. You're not broken hearted, right?
No way.
If you are broken hearted, then I am afraid to sit on the. Okay, we are crossing Marambachar, and here is our campus. Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. Yeah, up there. This written. Let's check it out, and I'll show you the important places that you might want to know. All right, let's go. Have you ever tried this? I don't know from which place it is originated, but it is really good. I love this. Ta-da, ta-da. We are now at Beren Road. We are carrying Syndex. Around 2,000 liters. We're gonna fill it up. We're going to bring that back home. You cannot see. Oh. So how are you guys? I hope you are doing good and great. Wherever you may be. That's my sentence, okay? Please don't use. Shine bright, be happy, stay hydrated. Wherever you are, let's live the life. But around here, the road is okay. They have finished constructing this. They are still. Oh, these roads are still in the process. This area is now completed. Looks good. All is well. Hello. Hi. We have now completed successfully 6 kilometers. We are now going for the 7, 8 and 9 kilometers. There is one village up there. They have 2 churches or what? They 2 churches, right? Yeah. The village is small, yet they have 2 churches. Yang lu gapung gapa tinarha awon bingne ini leishat sakina Xiang số nâu ping, ram nâu ping. Hili tơ rắc huy đặc lên thì yang là bấm giang. Hi là tơ thiền bãi để ra hi tơ cái chung cái lồng sải cái ra season rau tơ cái thiền hạt tâm gì yang nó. That kari na rata ta này. So we have finally reached the spot where we are supposed to fetch the water, and we are filling in the syntax now with the pipe. But the river is also, this stream is also getting dry. Achava itum kaman people being ribang gathana being nam thada yang sang milaga the resource in thada lay min si ja ring phalak ra hi the ri hi kam ta ya khana itum mikring khrakli chena him thada yang sang ming sang ai aram gatha lay chi yang no hi thada khao to dai na hai maintain nam thada am sam ne cha maintain thada sang rok laga store sang rok ni ji ja ki sa supply ma sar ra ya. We will fill up this. Thank you for listening to the stories. We will fill up this and then we'll go again. How many syntax is this? 3 or 4? 5. So that will be 2000 liter if I'm not wrong. 2300. Okay, 2300 liters. The pipe is somehow big enough. It will take time. Whoa! If you remember, I have made one vlog in the past. We came here for camping. Hiwa tungni isi camping ride ya siang. Hiwi teru kleapam hini rapam naga. Siring palak ina si camping ride le hini. Guys, our water is full. We are going back. I'm having some snack. Say we got our water. We are back here at Maram Center. We'll have tea before we depart. Let's go and have tea.